Cryptid559. Hey guys, so on Saturday, May the 15th, this past Saturday, me and Jesus witnessed something in the sky. It was a bright white light. Um, it was just going over our town here in Wheatley, and but it seemed to be like a. It looked at first it looked like a satellite, so I thought it was the SpaceX satellite train that people have been seeing this past few weeks. Um, so I was observing it first, and then there was no other satellites behind it. So this orb, this big white orb, there was no strobe lights. You'll see in the video. There's no strobe lights. So it was going in the direction of northeast to the hills. So it was heading northeast, real slow. It looked very low, so it was in our hemisphere. It wasn't. It didn't seem like it was in space. So it was going in a straight line like a satellite would do. But like I said, there was no other satellites behind it. Usually, when we observe satellites, are really, really small, but this thing was big. It was like an orb. It was bigger than usual satellite. You know, um, it just seemed different. So it was going really, really slow, heading northeast towards the hills. So like I said, we had two cameras on it. I was recording it, and Jesus was recording it. So you'll see both footages, both camera footages. On Jesus's, it's not zoomed in, so you'll see it far away. Okay, so you'll be absorbing that white light. But in mine, I start to zoom in when on my video, I zoom in and I start noticing flashes like on the right, on the top right, and then some flashes top on the left of it of the object. Um, you have to watch the video closely and you'll see them. Okay, it's like really quick flashes. It's not right next to it. It's a little ways away from the orb, but there in and you can see it in the video. In my video, and in Jesus, you can't see it. You can't see those flashes. I don't see them in his video, but in my video, because I zoomed in a little bit, I can see them. Every so often, you'll see a flash towards the right and some flashes on the left. And it's a way. It's not really close, like I said, close to that orb, that white light, but it's like around it. Um, I don't know, but I couldn't see the flashes with my naked eye. I could only see it through my phone, which was weird. Um, so while we were observing this, we were recording this, and I was noticing those flashes. I was telling Jesus, I can't. Are you seeing those flashes on your side? I don't see them in his video. Maybe you guys do, but on mine, I can see them. Just pay close attention to it. You'll see the flashes, and that's what's kind of weird. I've never seen that before. I was looking on the YouTube to see if there was something similar, and I did come across something. Some people have recorded. It's a similar light, but they're calling it a military drone. But this thing wasn't hovering. This one that we were observing wasn't hovering. It wasn't going up and down. It was going northeast, really slow. There was no other satellites around it, or like behind it, or in front of it. It was the only one. If it was a satellite, but then the flashes, there was flashes on the right of it and then on the left of it. You'll see it in the video. If you pay close attention, you'll see it in the video. And it was going really slow, so I don't know. I would like to get your comments on it. If you think it's a satellite, if you think it's a military drone or any drone, um, or is it a UFO, an unidentified flying object? I don't know. I don't know what it is. I've never seen that before. I've seen other stuff, but like I said, it looks like a satellite, but the only thing that makes it a little iffy, questionable, is those flashes that were around it. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.